We made a kite with colors so bright, ribbons that sparkle, wings full of light. Up to the sky we gave it a try, but oh no, it fell with a sigh.
It's okay, we can fix it.
Fly little kite, don't give up now. We'll fix your wings and show you how. Bit by bit with tape and glue, we'll make you fly like new. So fly little kite, ride the breeze, dance with the clouds and the tallest trees. When we fall we try again, and that's how dreams begin. Grandpa smiled and gave us a hand. Sometimes things break, just part of the plan. We snipped and tied, we mended with care, added some glitter and love everywhere. My buddy, even if you stumble, don't you cry. Every kite needs the wind to fly. We learn, we grow, we try, we cheer, and soon your wings will soar, my dear. Fly little kite up to the blue. We believed and now it's true. Hold the string and don't let go. Feel the magic in the flow. Fly little kite up so high, painting colors in the sky with a little heart